Nailers are one of the quintessential tools for woodworking projects, as you will have to use them for almost all of your projects. But when it comes to finishing carpentry or woodworking, the finish nailer always outperforms the many other types. Finish nailers are always the tool to go when building furniture, working on the deck or patio, and for general indoor and outdoor home improvement projects. As the name suggests, the finish nailer is for finishing projects where you are concerned with both the holding power and aesthetics. And when it comes to the holding power, they are a much better option than the brad nailer and many other nailer types. Like most other nail guns, finish nailers are available in pneumatic, electric and gas powered models, and also in different gauges. So I've got our top 10 finish nailers here for you. So let's start at number 10. The SmartPoint technology is one of the most outstanding features of this Bostitch. This technology entails giving the 15 gauge finish nailer a smaller nose for easy nail placement and without having to compress contact trip to actuate it. With this relatively smaller nose, users also get a better view of where they are driving in the nails, and it also has a dial depth control for precise nail countersinking and a tool-free jam release mechanism to make jam clearing easy. Its oil-free operation helps to prevent staining the workpiece. No mar tips and selectable trigger also help to make this one of the best angled finish nailers in this video. Whether you're buying your first finish nailer or upgrading what you have, you can always trust DeWalt to have the best finish nailer for you. And this DeWalt is a straight finish nailer that will be very useful for a variety of applications. This handy finish nailer features tool-free adjustment of the depth of drive to make it ideal for different applications. Clearing jams is also tool-free and easy. There's also a 360-degree exhaust that helps to direct the air away from the user for a more comfortable operation and low profile. And when you buy this high-performing finish nailer, you'll also get a free carrying case and some sample nails. If price is your main concern when shopping for the best 16 gauge finish nailer, here is a highly affordable option for you. It is the cheapest finish nailer in this video, but despite the small price tag, it still performs well, and this is more so when dealing with softwood. This finish nailer comes with a no-mar tip to help prevent scarring and denting of the workpiece, and it has a split nose design that makes jam clearing fast and easy. Also, this cheap pneumatic finish nailer has a convenient reload indicator to make it easy to tell when you need to add more nails, and a zero nail lockout feature to prevent dry firing. For a battery powered finish nailer, this porter cable is relatively lightweight, and so it's not only portable but also easy to handle for extended periods with minimal hand fatigue. You can also be confident of using it for long enough, as it has a relatively long battery life and will fire up to 1,000 nails for every charge. This convenient finish nailer also allows for tool-free depth adjustment to make it ideal for different applications, and jam clearing is fast and easy. It's also got an integrated multifunctional LED, which is really useful for illuminating the workpiece, and Porter Cable will provide a 3-year limited warranty for this. Convenience and high performance are some of the things that make the DeWalt one of the most popular cordless finish nailers, and despite being the priciest item in this video, this finish nailer is worth the price tag, as it is highly portable to allow you to use it almost anywhere. It will come with both the battery and a 1-hour charger to make it ready for use from the box. Like most other high-performing finish nailers, it allows easy access to the nosepiece to make jam clearing easy without having to use any tools. It also allows users to choose either to use sequential or contact firing methods, as it has some integrated LED lights that will help to illuminate the workpiece. This Makita is a well-built 15 gauge finish nailer with parts that are designed to last for many years. They include a lightweight magnesium body and a tough aluminium magazine. This finish nailer allows for toolless depth adjustment to ensure that you get more precise and flush nailing, And it also has a built-in air duster that will help keep the work surface debris free. This nailer will come with 2 removable Nomar tips and rubber bumpers which help to protect the workpiece from scratches and other damages. The highly durable and lightweight magnesium housing and the angled magazine are some of the highlight features of this Bostitch. However, there are still some more good features that help to make it one of the best pneumatic finish nailers in this video, and they include the tool-free magazine removal that makes cleaning and jam removal fast and easy. This finish nailer also has adjustable depth guide that ensures that you can sink the nails precisely. With a capacity of 130 nails, this magazine holds relatively more nails than many other 15 gauge nailers, and it will operate between 70 and 100 psi. It also comes with a carrying case, hex wrenches and 4 profile tips. Being one of the cheapest items in this video, this Numax will be a great choice for beginner woodworkers and hobbyists looking for something high performing but affordable. It features a highly durable and lightweight aluminium body that will ensure that you get many years of service, and it is also designed with quick jam release to minimize downtimes and finger depth adjustment to make it ideal for various applications. It also has a 360-degree adjustable exhaust that helps to direct the air away from the user's face, and this 16 gauge finish nailer also comes with a Nomar tip to prevent scratches and damages, and an ergonomic grip for comfortable and secure operation. Freeman is one of the brands that should be on top of your mind when shopping for the best 15 gauge pneumatic finish nailer, as they almost never disappoint. This model lives up to this reputation, and it is designed with ease of use, convenience and efficiency in mind. It will excel in projects like baseboard installation, crown moulding, cabinetry and furniture building. It is a dual trigger mode finish nailer, which means you get to choose whether to use sequential or contact firing depending on your project. Jam clearing is also quick and almost an effortless process, and you'll not even need to use any tools. The finger depth will also adjust easily to ensure flush fastening into any material. This Hitachi finish nailer shows why many DIYers and woodworkers love angled finish nailers. The 34-degree angled magazine allows users to get into tight spaces with ease, which makes this nailer suitable for almost any project. Another unique feature about it is that it also comes with an integrated air duster that can be really useful when you want to clear dust and debris from the workpiece before nailing. Jam clearing is also super easy and quick for this nailer, and the best thing about it is that the design of the nose ensures that you will not need any tools to do it. The depth of drive adjustment will also not require any tools, and so you will always have more control over the nailer, so you can get more professional finishes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found the finish nailer for you. If you need any more information on each of these nailers, please be sure to go over to our blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, where you can find out all the information you need on each of them, as well as much more. Thank you so much.